Monday and welcome to another vlog. I am starting this vlog in my car. It is 9:30 in the morning. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that. But for California, it is pretty darn cold. It is 38 degrees. My car is probably half frozen, and so am I. Also, I have a really quick rant. I just want to know, why do they make travel mugs that you can't take with you traveling because they don't fit in the cup holder? Whoever designed this, I have some words for you because I just made a mess. Because as I was getting ready to, settle into my car, I touched the straw and it spilled everywhere. Anyways, so let's see. Right now I have a Walmart pickup or drive up. I don't know. I've never done it before. I'm pretty sure it's called a pickup. Nope, don't want that. A pickup for some things that we're going to be using for the holidays. The lines were ridiculous at Walmart last time I passed by, so I decided just to do a pickup of some things I wanted. And what was I gonna say? Then Francisco had placed an order for Whole Foods that we need to go pick up, I think at 11 to 12, I think it was. But I'm hoping that while I'm out doing my Walmart thing, Whole Foods will tell him if there was anything that wasn't available so that I can just go pick it up. I think if I have time, also I'm gonna go to Amazon, do a few returns. I have Target returns. I have a Ulta return. Oh, but I didn't bring everything for Ulta. I have to go to JCPenney and return. I have so many returns. So I at least need to do one today, which will be the Amazon one. It's the one I have the most stuff for. I have a Target return, a Walmart return. I think the Walmart return is just not gonna happen. Anyways, I don't know why I'm rambling about all this. I'm gonna go now to Walmart and then we'll see what we get into. Oh, and later on, I think at 3 we decided, or 1, I think at 2, Francisco's gonna keep working from the car with his Wi-Fi extender thing, and then we're gonna drive over to his brother's house. His brother Adam and Osiris and the girls, we're gonna go visit them for a little bit, say hi, because I don't think we're gonna see them for Christmas. So we're gonna take them our little gifts and stuff and just hang out for the day, and then we'll be back at night. But anyways, I gotta go now because it's gonna get late and we gotta get to Walmart. What? What do you think I have? What do you want? Oh my goodness. What is it? Wow, you're very vocal this morning. Hey. What do you think Mommy's making? I showed you their taquitos. I know, I'm sorry. Hello everyone. Oh my goodness. You want to say hi? No? Okay. It is 12:30 and I just made us some taquitos from Trader Joe's. I don't know why I always say Trader Joe's so weird. I feel like I'm saying it like Trader Joe's. We're gonna have a really quick lunch and then get on the road, I think, right after. Nala is being very vocal right now. I don't know what's wrong with her. I think she smells the chicken in the taquitos and she thinks it's chicken. I don't know. Stop. I don't have anything for you. I don't know what's up with her. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys that I made my delicious green salsa. I love making the salsa and I hadn't made it in a bit, so try not to make it too often because then I don't know, I feel like I get kind of tired of it. But it's been a while since I made it, so I decided to get the ingredients from Walmart. That's what I picked. One of the things I picked up was to make the salsa, and I have some avocados that were almost ready to go bad, so I figure well, not ready to go bad, but they were very, very extremely soft. Oh my gosh, my hair. And so I made the salsa with the taquitos, sour cream, and that's what we're gonna have for lunch. I got this in the mail yesterday, the Canmake Mermaid Skin Gel UV SPF 50. This Jessica Brown was talking about the other day a lot. She said that she really likes it. It's like $11 or $10 on Amazon. I'll link it below. But she said it's really good for like dry skin because it gives you like a glow, kind of moisturizes your skin, but it has SPF 50. So I picked it up to try out because, I don't know, I want to find a good SPF 50 in case my moisturizer doesn't have it sometimes in the morning. Or if I just need extra, but maybe this will be a nice one. We'll see. And I think it's a Korean brand or Japanese brand, I guess. I don't know. All right, so I just put on the, oh, it is Tokyo. Japan, Tokyo. So I just put on the little SPF and gave me like a slight glow. It's nothing too crazy, but I kind of like it. Hopefully it doesn't get like oily throughout the day, but it doesn't even come out white either. So I think it would work probably for a lot of different skin tones. Hello everyone, it is about like 2 p.m. Francisco's pumping gas out there, and we're gonna get on the way to Turlock. I decided to do some makeup. I don't know how I feel about these lips though. They're from, it's the Color Festival from the Loreal matte line, I think it is. But I mean, I like the color, I just don't know how I like it with everything else. And then on my face I put the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better, something like that foundation. Very light, just very lightly. And then on my concealer I actually used the new e.l.f. concealer, the one that has like the clicky pen. I mean, so far so good. I did the Fox, what is it called, Stone Cold Fox on my eyes. And then I did, I think, the Maybelline eyebrow pomade with the Got To Be brow gel. I am really liking this brow gel, like a lot. And then I put the Milk bronzer and some of the Charlotte Tilbury highlight. I was looking at you on the outside, but you never looked over.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I was like, oh, is he gonna look? Wait, never looked. And then I curled my hair really quickly, like extremely quickly. I didn't really do like my roots, which are driving me crazy. I hate when my roots are curly and my rest of my hair, it's not, whatever. But anyways, so we're gonna get on the road now to go visit our family. And then I think we might eat there. Possibly not. I have no idea what the plan is. But at least we already ate lunch, so we won't be starving. And I forgot to remove my nail polish. I really wanted to do it before we left, but I forgot, which sucks. I hate walking around with my nails like this. My mom would be so ashamed. Do you know my mom used to tell me this was ratchet? This is not ladylike to have my nails like this. This would drive my mom crazy. So mom, I'm sorry. Anyways, my eyes look really brown, like a light brown. Anyways, I'm rambling, so we're gonna get on the road. she made us a cheese jalapeno, it looks like, and a plain. She's asleep, so I'm trying to whisper, and I can't wait to try this right now. I'm so excited. It smells so good. But anyways, that's probably gonna be it for tonight. We'll see you guys on tomorrow's vlog.